everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So I'm just about to finish doing my makeup and I couldn't find my lip balm. I want lip balm kasi my lips are chapped pero hindi ko mahanap yung Burt's. Ito pala, Burt's Bees. Ayun, Burt's Bees lip balm. So this is my outfit for today, just a plain black top from H&M, and then I have jeans, and then I'm gonna wear my Birks. So, yun na. We're gonna go to a makeup gig first, and then we're gonna meet someone at SM Manila. Nag-order siya ng lash curler. So, be hi! Hindi ka pa nag-hi.
Hi.
Currently here at a client's house, and we're doing hair and makeup for 3 persons. This is my setup right now. Medyo nagulo-gulo na. I have one more customer or client left, and then I brought over my Swash mirror. Ayan. Hi, B. Here.
Hi.
Now here at SM Manila, and good news, meron na silang Bose coffee bago siya. So we're gonna go down just to grab ice cream. Ano siya, controversial siya kasi bago siya here in SM Manila. It's called Liam ice cream. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nasa Mason George, tapos sobrang taas niya. Sana, yun. Ano siya, right across Mint.
Concord. CR muna, tapos Concord.
Mag-ice cream ako eh. Ayan, Liam ice cream. Ito, Liam jar, 130. Gano'n kalaki yun? Ayan o.
Gusto niyo pong i-refill, 30 pesos na lang.
Ah, okay. So parang 100 pesos yung mason jar.
So kasama yung mason jar.
Pagka gusto mo bumili, dadali na lang dito yan.
Bongga,
okay.
diba? Tapos diba sobrang taas? Oh my God. Ilang topping pwede dyan?
Tanas po.
Lahat?
Free lang po yan.
Free toppings. Oh my gosh.
May mason jar.
Meron silang Facebook page.
Okay.
Makikita mo yung mga picture.
Yun na?
Eh, paano mag-supermarket pa? Ikaw na lang papasok?
Pwede naman yan sa supermarket eh. Kasi kinakain mo yan.
Ano yung chocolate? Oh, wow.
Talagang video, madam.
Ha?
Talaga po may video.
Yes. Lalabas ko sa YouTube, ate. Namamatay yung ilaw nyo. Hindi ba yung strawberry?
Akala ko ganda yun.
Baka magulat ka kung final product yung beef. Kasi sobrang taas talaga. Layer. Bongga. So if you want to buy ice cream, again, gamit yung mason jar nila, you can. And it's only for 30 pesos. That's so bongga, diba? We're out of the mall and half na lang yung ano. Actually, ano siya, masarap pero super tamis niya. Kaya ano, okay lang. Hindi ko na-enjoy yung top part. Na-enjoy ko yung middle part kasi with all the marshmallow. Super favorite ko yung marshmallow. Anyway, nag-away kami ni Mark. Paano naman? He was texting and driving. Lagot ka. Pagalitan niyo siya sa comment box, lagot ka. Hindi nakakatawa, B talaga. Totoo. Pagalitan niyo siya. Anyway.
Sumigaw kasi siya.
Ha? Sumigaw ako kasi
okay
mababangga na yung harap namin, tapos nagte-text pa siya.
Medyo malayo pa.
Hindi yun medyo malayo. Ang lapit na, sobrang lapit na nun. Hindi ako sigaw kung malayo pa yun.
Tapos
anyway. Punta kami ng Cavite kasi tomorrow is, nahuhuli. Tomorrow is, fiesta daw kila Mark. Punta kayo. Paano nila pupunta manonood? Oo nga, bukas pa. Diba na? Tingnan natin. And good news, meron ng wifi kila Mark. So, yun. And bad news, sobrang sakit ng puson ko. Yan. Because I'm a girl. Ay, hindi siya inuli. Mabait siya. Tingnan mo. Nagtatawanan sila. Anyway, we're gonna finish this muna.
Bilok. Oh. Look.
Nakita ko yan.
Look.
Nakita rin ni Papa yan. Super smoke belching yung Corby. Yung car na yun. Nakakaloka. Currently doing some work on the laptop. Dala ko siya. And then nakakonect yung Wi-Fi. Ayan, Wi-Fi. Posting the video. Second episode of Great Hair Day. Poor doggy. Meron kaya siyang tamo? Uhong na siya. Doggy. Si Blackie. Gonna take a nap. I'm so sleepy. Grabe. Relax. Ano ito?
Buto-buto.
Ha?
Buto-buto.
Buto-buto.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ito pa, Bi, oh.
We're finally here.
If you want,
Oh, yeah, shrimp.
kuha ka.
Ew. Hindi kami kumain ng proper lunch. As in, nagano lang kami. Ako, 1 chicken and 1 pizza. Si Mark, 4 pizza, 3 chicken lang naman.
mapanood nila. Nakakaya.
Eh, pinakain ka eh. Tapos ako nagme-makeup ako first. Gutom na ako. Anyway, we're gonna eat. Tingin. Kirby! Hi, Kirby! Hello, baby! Bakit matamlay?
Mahaba na yung buhok mo, ha?
Matamlay ang baby. I also want to greet Benji a happy birthday. So Benji is Judy's husband. Happy birthday, Benji! Saying hi to Maria Cunanan. Hi! Frida England from Seattle, Washington. Hi! Laika Soriben from Montreal, Canada. Hi! And an advance happy birthday to Luis Bacani from I'm not sure, but yeah, mag-celebrate siya ng birthday niya on March 29. So, advance happy birthday!
Ayaw gumana dyan?
Oh, Bimi, gusto magpa-shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout. Ate Say, pa-shoutout naman ako from you and Kuya Mark. Huwag mo nilagay yung, yan, Ready Sandel. Go.
Ready, sandal.
Yan.
1, 2, 3.
Tagbin!
Ready?
Ay, nag-roll na yun eh.
Ready, stand up.
Corn. Dali, hi ka kay Ready Sandel.
Hi, Ready Sandel.
Hi! Thank you, Kendra, if you watched the Palmolive video.
Dan.
Bakit dan?
Si Kendra.
Oh, may kaloka ka. Aray! And those are the shots for today. We're ending the vlog early tonight, so we'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bukas na kami kakain. Kumain na kami actually, so okay na yun. Bye!
Guys, muna ako.
Mag-edit ako.